Hello students, welcome to Bodha Academy. I am Kamlakar, lecturer in physics. In this video, we will be discussing about concepts related to vectors, mainly regarding dot product, cross product, relative velocity, rain umbrella concept, motion of boat in a river, etc. First, we'll start with dot product. Let a bar and b bar are any two vectors and theta is angle between them. Then dot product of a bar and b bar is defined as a bar dot b bar is equals to mod a bar into mod b bar into cos theta. Properties of dot product of two vectors. First one, dot product obeys commutative law, that is a bar dot b bar is equals to b bar dot a bar. Dot product obeys distributive law, that is a bar dot b bar plus c bar is equals to a bar dot b bar plus a bar dot c bar. Next point, I cap dot I cap is equals to j cap dot j cap is equals to k cap dot k cap is equals to 1. Next point, I cap dot j cap is equals to j cap dot k cap is equals to k cap dot I cap is equals to 0. Next one, a bar dot a bar is equals to a square. Next point, if a bar is equals to ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap and b bar is equals to bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap, then a bar dot b bar is equals to ax bx plus ay by plus az bz. If a bar and b bar are perpendicular, then their dot product is 0. If a bar and b bar are parallel, then a bar dot b bar is equals to mod a bar into mod b bar. Next point, angle between two vectors a bar and b bar can be determined by using the relation cos theta is equals to a bar dot b bar divided by mod a bar into mod b bar. Next point, a bar dot lambda b bar is equals to lambda into a bar dot b bar. Next point, component of b bar along a bar is given as a bar dot b bar divided by mod a bar. Similarly, component of a bar along b bar is given as a bar dot b bar divided by mod b bar. Next topic, applications of dot product. Work done is given as dot product of force and displacement. That's also given as W is equals to Fs cos theta. Power is given as dot product of force and velocity. That's also given as P is equals to Fe cos theta. Kinetic energy is given as half m into v bar dot v bar, where m is mass of the body and v is velocity of the body. Potential energy is given as m into g bar dot h bar. G bar is acceleration due to gravity vector and h bar is displacement vector. Next concept, cross product of two vectors. If a bar and b bar are any two vectors and theta is angle between them, then the cross product of a bar and b bar is equal to another vector c bar, where mod c bar is equals to ab sine theta, and direction of c bar is perpendicular to plane containing a bar and b bar and is given by right hand screw rule. Curl the fingers of right hand in such a way that they point in the direction of rotation from a bar to b bar through a small angle theta between the vectors. Then direction of thumb gives the direction of a bar cross b bar. Next topic, properties of cross product. Cross product does not obey commutative law, that is a bar cross b bar is not equal to b bar cross a bar, but a bar cross b bar is equal to minus of b bar cross a bar. Cross product obeys distributive law. A bar cross b bar plus c bar is equals to a bar cross b bar plus a bar cross c bar. Next point, I cap cross I cap is equals to j cap cross j cap is equals to k cap cross k cap is equals to 0 bar. Next point, I cap cross j cap is equals to k cap, j cap cross k cap is equals to I cap, k cap cross I cap is equals to j cap. Next point, a bar cross a bar is equals to 0 bar. Next point, if a bar and b bar are parallel or anti-parallel vectors, then a bar cross b bar is equals to 0 bar. Next point, if a bar is equals to ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap and b bar is equals to bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap, then a bar cross b bar is equals to determinant I cap j cap k cap ax ay az bx by bz. Next topic, applications of cross product. First one, to find unit vector perpendicular to both a bar and b bar. Example, let c bar is equals to a bar cross b bar. Then c bar is perpendicular to both a bar and b bar. Hence, unit vector n cap that is perpendicular to both a bar and b bar is given as n cap is equals to c bar by mod c bar. That's also equals to a bar cross b bar whole thing divided by mod a bar cross b bar. Next point, the relation between linear velocity and angular velocity is given as v bar is equals to omega bar cross r bar. The relation between linear acceleration and angular acceleration is given as a bar is equals to alpha bar cross r bar. Centripetal acceleration is given as a bar is equals to omega bar cross v bar. Torque is given as tau bar is equals to r bar cross f bar. Angular momentum is given as L bar is equals to R bar cross P bar, where momentum vector P bar is equals to M into V bar, where M is mass of particle and V is velocity of particle. Hence, angular momentum is also expressed as L bar is equals to M into R bar cross V bar. Area of triangle formed by P bar and Q bar as adjacent sides is A is equals to half into modulus of P bar cross Q bar. Area of parallelogram formed by P bar and Q bar as adjacent sides is A is equals to modulus of P bar cross Q bar. Next concept, relative velocity. When two bodies are in motion, then velocity of one body with respect to other body is called as relative velocity. Let VA bar be velocity of body A, VB bar be velocity of body B. Then relative velocity of A with respect to B is given as VAB bar is equals to VA bar minus VB bar. Relative velocity of B with respect to A is given as VBA bar is equals to VB bar minus VA bar. Next point, if theta is angle between VA bar and VB bar, then magnitude of relative velocity is given as square root of VA square plus VB square minus 2 VA VB cos theta. If VA bar and VB bar are perpendicular, then magnitude of relative velocity is given as square root of VA square plus VB square. Next topic, rain umbrella concept. Let rain be falling vertically downwards and let a man be moving on a horizontal road. Consider horizontal direction as x-axis and vertical direction as y-axis. Let VR bar is equals to absolute velocity of rain. VM bar is equals to absolute velocity of man. Then VR bar is equals to VR into minus j cap. VM bar is equals to VM into I cap. Now, relative velocity of rain with respect to man is given as VRM bar is equals to minus VM into I cap minus VR into j cap. Since both I cap and j cap are negative, therefore VRM bar is in third quadrant as shown in figure. Magnitude of VRM bar is given as VRM is equals to square root of VM square plus VR square. To protect himself from rain, the person must hold umbrella at an angle theta with vertical. From figure, cos theta is equals to mod VR bar by mod VRM bar. Next topic, Motion of a boat in a river. Case 1. If motion of boat is in same direction as that of flow of water, then it is considered as downstream. Time taken to travel a distance x in the direction of flow is given as t is equals to x by velocity of boat with respect to water plus velocity of water. Second case, if motion of boat is in opposite direction to flow of water in river, then it is considered as upstream. Time taken to travel a distance x in opposite direction to flow of water is given as t is equals to x divided by v bw minus vw, where vw is velocity of boat with respect to river water, vw is velocity of river water. Case 3. To cross the river in minimum time, let w be width of river, vw is equals to velocity of river water with respect to ground. Let boat be rowed normal to the bank of river with a velocity vb with respect to river water. Let theta be direction of resultant motion of boat with respect to normal to the bank of river. Then from figure, tan theta is equals to vw by vb. Also, tan theta is equals to x by w. Hence, x by w is equals to vw by vb, or drift x is equals to vw by vb whole thing into w. Magnitude of velocity of boat with respect to ground is given as mod v bar is equals to square root of vb square plus vw square. Time taken to cross the river is given as t is equals to w by vb. Last case, to cross the river along shortest path. Let theta be direction of motion of boat with respect to normal to the bank. Then sine theta is equals to opposite side by hypotenuse, that's equals to vw by vb. Let alpha be direction of motion of boat with respect to bank. Then alpha is equals to 90 degrees plus theta. By Pythagoras theorem, we'll get v is equals to square root of vb square minus vw square. Time taken to cross the river is given as t is equals to w by v, or t is equals to w by square root of vb square minus vw square. Thanks for watching video. If you love watching this video, then press like button. If not subscribed, then subscribe my Bodha Academy channel to watch more videos. Share this video with your friends and classmates.